You're watching F5. We are at ITSA 2023 in Nuremberg, Germany. This is my first time in Germany, and I am welcomed by everybody here. It has been fantastic. Huge conference, by the way. Multiple expo halls. It took me a while to even find this booth here. We're actually at the Westcon booth and jointly having a little stand here with them. Now, just now, Markus Hennig gave a talk, and we're just going to get into that a little bit, but maybe Markus, I'll let you introduce yourself.
Yeah, hello everybody. My name is Markus. I'm in charge of the distributed cloud platform in Central and Eastern Europe. I'm with F5 since 8 years. I live in Switzerland. So yeah, my main focus is helping our account managers, partners and customers first of all understand what the platform does, discover and identify use case, and also work partially on, well, which kind of architecture we can implement.
Oh, awesome, very cool. And when you were going over the presentation there, you were talking about secure multi-cloud networking, web application API protection, and it sounds like specific to the region too, there's some challenges that you've been able to help customers overcome?
Yeah, actually what we see a lot in our region is things related to application security, since we've got a lot of customers here, multiple thousands I would say in the region. They already use the big IP WAF, so and they're extending naturally to public cloud providers. They're looking for something which makes it easy to implement application protection everywhere. So this is where we can earn points with distributed cloud. So we had one example, one customer already using big IP for the highest critical business applications. So they were making this exercise internally as to which applications are the most critical, second critical, third critical, and they decided to implement a protection for any application, for any kind of security level. First one is big IP advanced WAF, second is distributed cloud. So this is how we approach this project with this customer.
Oh, that's awesome, a real hybrid approach.
Exactly,
that's really cool. Speaking of hybrid too, how has cloud adoption, public cloud adoption, been in Europe? Has that been something that everybody's gone towards, or is there still going to be a component of on-prem?
Yeah, so obviously we see the same trend as everywhere, like hybrid cloud is really dominating. We see highly regulated sectors which are not yet going too much into public cloud, so they're still waiting. The same is for government. The government is really, well, is shying back from cloud, but all other industries, I would say, are embracing the public cloud in order to, well, to host new and fresh applications over there. Yes, actually, that's moving ahead. So a particular point to raise is the Eastern Europe, where I would say the cloud adoption is lower. This is at least what I've seen in the latest analyst reports.
Oh, that's interesting. Any ideas why that's a little bit slower here?
I don't know, maybe it's just the west to east stuff coming from the US, going to Europe, and then to the other Eastern European countries. I don't know exactly.
Sure.
Yeah.
And are you finding folks are moving into a single cloud, or are they kind of adopting multi-public cloud and on-prem as well?
Yeah, so it's ramping up. Typically we see a lot of projects starting typically with Azure for the business applications, Office 365 and so on. But other more specialized industries, they go for the hybrid and multi-cloud, yeah, in order to have really the advantages per public cloud provider. Yeah, we see that clearly.
Awesome. And when it comes to networking for them, are you finding they're using things like ExpressRoute, Direct Connect? Are they, how has, maybe put it another way, how has the multi-cloud networking advantages, has that been conveyed to them? Are they taking advantage of that kind of stuff?
Yeah, actually we see a lot of difficulties with these customers who put the first step into this world with complexity with multiple VPN gateways, and an never stopping demand from developers to go faster, be more agile, more independent, not having to wait for network teams, for security teams to open ports and firewalls. So they are looking for ways to overcome this burden which holds them back. So freeing up or giving more freedom to these developers is really crucial.
Awesome. And when it comes to automation as well, how do you see this region as far as sophistication with their automation? Is that kind of try to automate first, or are they kind of catching up on that kind of stuff?
Yeah, I would say we are pretty advanced in automation. So many of our customers are deep into that. They have developed their scripts. They have put in place the right processes and teams as well, like platform teams, platform engineers, operations, working tightly together. So this shows that automation is huge when it comes to application deployment and protection.
Awesome. So when they're shopping for a platform, they're generally looking for something that they can jump into automation right away?
Yes, obviously, from the very beginning, yeah. They're looking for simplicity and for A to Z automation.
Awesome, okay. Cool. Well, great to have a chat with you, Markus. Again, we're here at ITSA 2023. Right now we're at the Westcon booth, but we're also at a couple other booths as well. So if you are seeing this week, come on down, check it out. If you haven't, or if you aren't going to see this week, you're watching this a little bit later, there's going to be a playlist with all this information as well. So thank you very much, Markus. It's been great talking to you. Otherwise, thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one.